Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. It's another big day in the Big Apple. My outfit of the day is a top and linen trousers from Marks & Spencer's, a skinny belt from Primark, my Fendi mini baguette in fuchsia, and my Berkeys. The lion is in an H&M top, his new Coach bag, pair of Levi's, and his New Balance trainers. This afternoon we'll be heading off to Fashionphile, but before that we were meeting up with Maria of Maria, Louise Loves Luxuries, and her husband for breakfast. You will have seen from Meredith and Amelia Rose's vlogs that there was a big funeral parade for a fire marshal and that closed down a lot of the city streets. We decided we were going to get an Uber to meet Maria because we thought we were going to be a little bit late walking, and we got stuck in the traffic and just got further and further away from our destination. It took us well over an hour to get there and we were starving by the time we got there, but we were happy to be able to spend a little bit more time with Maria and Phil. So things like this as well.
What have you got?
Shakshuka.
So
Crisps for breakfast.
and a pickle.
And a pickle. I love pickles.
Yummy, yummy. Look at all these. They're beautiful.
And I'll bring it back.
Yeah. Isn't it gorgeous? Super cool. After breakfast, which was really lunch, we dashed back to the hotel to pick up Mr. Ballybunny and send him to his new owner. Thank you, Lisa, for giving him a new loving home. We met up with the rest of the Handbag Tribe in the hotel lobby for a group photo, as this was the day that people started leaving, and the first to leave was Claire. Her taxi driver insisted on picking them up early because of the road closures, so by the time we all got there, she'd gone, which was upsetting.
We were running back here and I was thinking, oh, that would be the cat that Mary must have heard the
Sit rep. We are at the marketplace that we came to get a bite to eat after Fashionphile on Saturday with the girls. We're at Pen and Coop. Going to get a little combo platter to share, and the reason we're here is because we're going back into Fashionphile to see if I can make a decision on something. The lion has picked out his favourite out of my shortlist. He won't tell me what it is, so we'll wait and see when we get in there. But we're going to take you along for the ride as well, so fingers crossed this time. We're back. I said it in the last Fashionphile vlog, but the scale of this place is just phenomenal, and they have got so much beautiful eye candy. I just cannot fathom how much is in those racks. There's just so much. It's just ridiculous. But this time I had done my research and I had a short list of things I wanted to look at. Isn't this colour a bit of me? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is, I believe, Arco. I think it's called the Arco, Bottega. Oh, I've never actually seen a tiny little Palm Springs mini in real life. It's cute. Chanel, this is massive, oversized. Are you single or are you still double flap? Single flap. I'm checking out all the pink, in case you hadn't noticed. This is the Nano Alma from the Louis Vuitton in the epi leather. A little bit of a mark on there. And then we've got some of these beautiful limited edition pieces. This. Hello. So, that's some of the pink stuff. I didn't like this design when it first came out, and I've kind of grown on it now, or it's grown on me. Some more limited edition palm dots. I've got a bag charm in this, and I've just had a little play with this cutie, and yeah, actually feels really, really nice. Really, really soft. I looked at this last time we were here as well. I like it. It's really heavy. I like it. I like it being the mini. Beautiful colour. And again, we've got limited edition Speedy here. We've got some cherry cerises, and up at the top there as well. And the lion is checking in with the our house guest, who is looking after the kitties. He's making sure that they're still okay. Now, I'm not usually a florals girl, but this Gucci Jackie with this print is, it's a floral I can get behind. This is a limited edition collaboration with Ken Scott to celebrate 30 years since his passing. Now, I don't know much about Ken Scott's art, but I like that it's on a black background. I like that it's a little bit abstract. I like that the colours are, basically all of the colours are there, and they're so bright and leery and fun. Now, the jacket does come with this extra strap that you can attach to the shoulder strap and turn it into a crossbody. I thought it was a pretty good drop length on me. I'm sharing all the bags that I tried on in this second Fashion File instalment, so I want to have all of your comments on what you think of all of these bags down in the comments section. Let me know what you liked, let me know what you didn't like. Ever since Cassie Thorpe unveiled her chlorophyll mini Jodie from Bottega Veneta, I have been a little bit obsessed with the finish on this bag. They didn't have any of the mini Jodies, but this is the mini pouch. I had no choice, I had to try it. Now, I've been banging on about getting a Bottega Veneta, the pouch, for a long time now, but the mini does come with this crossbody strap, so does that make it a better option? They did have this delicious mini Jodie in the colour raspberry. Now, this is a colour that I wanted to get when it was released I think probably about 3 years ago now. This bag felt completely different from Miss Chlorophyll. The leather, this Intrecciato leather, is absolutely divine. I have an Intrecciato leather twist bag, and it's one of my favourite things to touch and play with in my handbag room. I've been curious about the Louis Vuitton Keepall 25, and I think it's a great size bag. I think it's one of those bags that holds a lot more than you would expect, and I have to say the leather on this one was super soft. This is from the men's collection. It is the sort of watercolour, water damaged watercolour, if that makes sense, and again, great strap drop length. This would be a great everyday grab and go bag, and I love the silver hardware. It was really comfy to wear. It felt so I can squishing it. I couldn't stop squishing it. It was delicious. After seeing Miss Sprouse Speedy on the shelf, I had to request a closer look at her. They had a couple of options in store in the New York flagship. So if you're after one, get on that website and take a look. Lion's taking pictures of me. And I'm glad I did take a look at her, because although I'm not a Speedy girl, I don't like the slouch and all of that kind of stuff, she was in absolutely amazing condition, and the handles were super soft, really, really soft vachetta. The Lion is doing a live feed to the others, sending them pictures of bits of the bags and having them guess which bags they are. What a colourful little bunch so far. When I saw this Gucci Super Mini Dionysus in the Valentine print with the hearts and the G's and the stars, I had to have a look at this one. It is so cute. I love the look of the Super Minis. This print is basically everything. It's pink, it's got hearts, it's got stars, it's got G's for Gwenny on it. I mean, what's not to love? It looked absolutely fantastic. I suppose the only thing I didn't like about it is the strap drop is a little bit short for me. Back to Bottega Veneta, and this is the teen Jodie, and it's a really great size, it's a really great shape, and this is one of my favourite colours that Bottega has ever done. It is the acid kiwi, and I mean, if you know me at the moment, you know I'm in my kind of acid green, acid yellow phase. This is just a beautiful bag. Again, that Intrecciato leather is so delicious. I am happy to report that on this trip to Fashion File, purchases were made. Yes, that was plural. Purchases. We're back at the hotel now, and after that, we need a stiff drink. I'm having an Amaretto sour.
Maker's Mark. Old fashioned.
Cheers, baby cakes. Fashionphile gave us a load of freebie biscuits. I didn't get a Fashionphile nail file, but we did get a load of biscuits, and look, even one of these has a lion on. Outfit of the evening for dinner with the Handbag Tribe is my M&S carrot jeans, a leopard print Primark skinny belt, mint velvet silk shirt, my fuchsia mini baguette from Fendi, and my Vivea pointy flats. The Handbag Tribe was somewhat depleted now, having said goodbye to Claire and Victoria and their husbands and Amelia Rose, but that didn't stop us from going out for dinner and enjoying what time we had left together. Tonight we have Meredith, Debs and her husband, me and the lion obviously, and Lisa and her husband came to join us at this lovely little pasta place they found. Thank you again for making great food reservation decisions for us. This place is called Palm and it was delicious. We've got pasta and my heart is happy with these beautiful people. I've got to say, we were all pretty quiet in the Uber on the way back to the hotel after dinner. I think we were all feeling it a little bit. We were exhausted. We were happy and sad all at the same time from having such an amazing experience with our friends, but having to say goodbye to some of those friends as they were leaving us early. So I think maybe melancholy. Is that a good word? Melancholy. But it was nice to just drive quietly through the streets of New York City and see the lights, see the buildings, see the sights. Back at the hotel, Meredith bid us a good night, but we weren't ready to go to bed just yet. So the lion and I, Debs and hubby, stayed in the bar until we got kicked out at midnight, putting the world to rights and just having a lovely time together.